Around 1:30 this afternoon, WMATA General Manager Randy Clark announced Metro is increasing rail and bus service where it is safe. It really all comes down to how much snow has been cleared. So Clark says these trains are running every 15 to 30 minutes on all the lines. More bus routes are impacted, and we're expecting an update from Metro ahead at 6 o'clock. But for now, we can help you check if your ride is impacted. If you text the word Metro to the number on your screen, 202-895-5599, we will text you back with a link to check Metro service near you. That's also where you can share your pictures and information about streets that haven't been cleared. We want to know so we can help.